The thing that I like most about the RxSafe is the accuracy. I know that the drug is accurate, I know the count is accurate, and as a pharmacist, that is the most important thing to me.
Since buying the RxSafe, the quality of care for our patients have improved drastically. Now we're able to spend more time talking with our patients, finding out their needs than we had before without the safe.
The quality of care has improved with the addition of the RxSafe, especially with regard to dispensing controlled substances and the accuracy of that dispensing process.
The most important feature that we've seen with RxSafe is the ability for me to go home at night and have peace of mind that I've given that patient exactly what I'm supposed to give that patient.
We also work in a very tight and confined space, so bringing the RxSafe in actually freed up quite a bit of floor space in the pharmacy department.
What we were able to do is remove 2 of those bays and then just put the double safe in there. It saved us so much room, and then once we were able to do that, we changed our workflow up so that we could get faster and better, and not just that, we knew we were a lot safer when we were using the safe.
The RxSafe has changed the way we do business because it has freed us up a lot of time. It's also freed up some space in our pharmacy so that we can operate some of these other services.
We've experienced burglaries in the past, but with the RxSafe being C2 compliant, gives me great confidence moving into the future that this will be less of a concern moving forward.
In September of 2013, we were broken into. In a matter of less than a minute, they came in the drugstore and they stole a little more than $60,000 worth of drugs. And of course, obviously, they were narcotics. Since we've had the safe, we've not been broken into. Even if we were broken into, I don't really see how they would figure out what to get out of the safe.
Prior to purchasing the RxSafe, we had implemented a number of measures to reduce on-hand inventory amounts. After purchasing the RxSafe, after 6 months, we were still able to reduce on-hand inventory amounts by 15%. RxSafe is a solution to a growing problem of inventory management in any pharmacy.
Before we purchased the RxSafe, we had a huge problem with inventory. First of all, we didn't have a place to put it, but secondly, I wanted to be able to press a button and figure out exactly how much inventory I had at any one time, and the safe really allows you to do that.
The most attractive feature about the product was the ability to remotely handle all of our inventory, to have it neatly organized, and to be able to run reports in a matter of minutes that used to take me a number of days and a number of technicians to complete.
In the first year, I believe that the RxSafe has paid for itself. Actually, with the increase in volume, we probably saved $150,000 to $200,000.
We had, I think there was 8 technicians. Now with the RxSafe, we're running everything with 6 technicians.
One of the things we're able to do now that we were not able to do prior to purchasing the RxSafe is to effectively scale our synchronization program so that we're more profitable as a pharmacy.
Right now we have a Parata Max and the RxSafe, and since we have both, we're able to now just put one technician that's in charge of both. We had a day where we did 981 prescriptions. I don't think there's any way possible that we would have been able to do that in our setup prior to having the RxSafe.
Utilizing both the Parata Max and the RxSafe, it's safe to say that we effectively dispense 90% of our prescription volume each day.
The RxSafe has probably saved me 25 or 30 hours a week. Saved me lots of time, saved my technicians time. I love this machine. I recommend the RxSafe because of accuracy, time savings, and inventory control.
The most significant impacts after adding the RxSafe to Perkins Drugs was the space savings in an already crowded pharmacy, accuracy with our dispensing process, an automated inventory retrieval process that only enhanced our workflow, and the ability to generate reports in minutes that used to take days.
I like to recommend RxSafe for no other reason than it's efficient and it can go through a ton of prescriptions. Sometimes here we can go over 120 prescriptions an hour, and in doing so it gives me peace of mind when I go home at night that I've done the right thing.
I can go home at night, I know that prescriptions were filled accurately and my patients are safe.